In today's session, we will talk about selecting a methodology for execution. While there are multiple ways to execute, the end goal should be the same. The goal is to get the product into your customer's hands as early as possible with the most valuable features. Now, choose a project execution method that best suits your product. We will look at the famous 3 approaches and where those fit in. First one, Waterfall. If your product involves hardware, multiple revisions to the product is too costly and time consuming. In this case, Waterfall approach might work the best. In Waterfall approach, each phase of the project, requirements, design, implementation, and testing are completed sequentially before moving on to the launch of the product. Second is Agile. A buzzword in the software industry for the last couple of decades, Agile works well to deliver value iteratively, especially for complex projects with evolving requirements and uncertain outcomes. Agile works well. Examples include Scrum, Kanban, test-driven development, etc. Scrum is used with cross-functional teams that collaborate to deliver shipping increments of a product. Value is delivered in each of the sprints, which are typically 2 weeks long. Kanban works well for independent teams. When there is no interdependency with other teams, teams can pick up from a prioritized backlog and move on to the next one quickly. This is one of my favorites as it minimizes lead time and maximizes output. Test-driven development. Another one of my favorites is test-driven development or TDD. This approach follows continuous testing and improvement, ensuring a high-quality product. You will need to focus on test automation to gain speed here. Lean. Coming back to hardware type of product, another approach is Lean, which incorporates principles such as value stream mapping, pull-based systems, and just-in-time delivery. Now, the different methods have evolved over time, and it is a vast topic to cover. Hope some of these terms help you to do some research to identify the one that is best suited for your product. Remember, whatever approach you choose, the goal is fast delivery of a high-quality product. Thank you.